If you're tired of carrying heavy fuel canisters every time you go camping, or you're frustrated with outdoor stoves that struggle to boil water and cook meals efficiently, this might be exactly what you've been looking for. The real question is, can a compact wood-burning rocket stove actually replace your traditional camping stove? Today, we're taking a close look at the Godsax Rocket Stove to find out whether it's worth adding to your outdoor cooking setup. The Godsax Rocket Stove is a portable wood-burning stove designed for campers, hikers, backyard cooks, and even people who want a reliable emergency cooking solution. Instead of relying on propane or butane canisters, it burns natural materials like twigs, sticks, leaves, and small branches that you can often find right around your campsite. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. One of the first things that stands out is the overall build quality. This doesn't feel like one of those thin metal camping stoves that bends after a few uses. The stove is constructed from thick Q235 steel, giving it a sturdy, confidence-inspiring feel when you pick it up. The heat-resistant coating adds another layer of durability and helps protect the metal during repeated high-temperature cooking sessions. Despite being rugged, it's surprisingly compact and easy to pack away. The included storage bag keeps everything organized, making transportation simple whether you're heading to a campground, hiking trail, or backyard cookout. The design is where this stove becomes especially interesting. It uses a rocket stove structure that creates a natural chimney effect. As hot air rises through the chamber, it pulls fresh oxygen into the fire from below. In practical terms, that means the fire burns hotter and more efficiently than many basic wood stoves. Instead of constantly fighting to keep the fire alive, the stove does much of the work for you. The top support feels stable when holding pots and pans, and the stove is designed to support substantial weight, which adds confidence when cooking larger meals. When it comes to real-world performance, the Godsax delivers one of its biggest advantages: fuel flexibility. Rather than packing fuel canisters, you can simply collect small sticks and natural debris around your campsite. During extended outdoor trips, these can save both money and valuable backpack space. The combustion chamber design helps maximize heat output from relatively small amounts of wood, allowing you to boil water, cook meals, or heat food efficiently. Another area where this stove performs well is ease of use. Setup is quick and straightforward. Once the pot holder and anti-tip support are attached, you're essentially ready to start cooking. A feature many users will appreciate is the angled combustion chamber. As wood burns, ashes naturally slide downward, reducing the need for constant cleaning and making it easier to add fresh fuel while cooking. That may sound like a small detail, but during longer cooking sessions, it makes the experience noticeably more convenient. Of course, no product is perfect. While the stove is highly portable, it's still heavier than ultralight backpacking stoves designed specifically for long-distance hikers. If every ounce matters on a multi-day trek, there are lighter options available. Also, because it relies on natural fuel sources, performance depends somewhat on the availability of dry wood. In wet conditions, you'll need to spend a little extra time gathering suitable fuel. Compared to similarly priced portable wood-burning stoves, the Godsax stands out because of its sturdy construction, efficient airflow design, and practical ease of use features. Some competing models are lighter, while others fold into slightly smaller packages, but many don't offer the same combination of durability, cooking stability, and combustion efficiency. For campers who prioritize reliability over shaving off every possible ounce, this stove provides excellent value. Who is this stove best for? If you enjoy camping, overlanding, backyard cooking, emergency preparedness, or outdoor adventures where fuel availability can be unpredictable, the Godsax Rocket Stove makes a lot of sense. On the other hand, if you're an ultralight backpacker focused exclusively on minimizing pack weight, you may want to explore lighter alternatives. Overall, the Godsax Rocket Stove successfully solves one of the biggest frustrations in outdoor cooking: dependence on fuel canisters. It's durable, easy to use, efficient, and versatile enough for a wide range of outdoor situations. While it isn't the perfect choice for every user, it delivers impressive performance for its intended audience and offers solid value for the price. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest product reviews. And if you're interested in checking out the Godsax Rocket Stove for yourself, you'll find the link waiting for you in the description below.